Go.
Lemonade! Hi, Papa! Happy birthday!
We're in Winter Park, and Jacqueline's on her bed, showing you her room. Showing you her room. There's Sonny S'mores. He's sitting under the bed.
Watch.
There she goes.
One. Back up, Mama.
Okay, gotta get y'all in. Okay, go.
Whoa!
There's her work table. What's on that work table? What is that? What did you make? Explain.
Birthday cake.
There's a birthday cake for Papa that Jacqueline made all by herself. Here, hold it up and blow out the candles. We couldn't fit all, how many?
86 candles.
We couldn't do it, so we did 6. And then what else do you have? There's Snowball, there's Paco, they're all here, and there's her pictures.
Show Brownie.
Brownie is where?
Right there.
There's Sonny S'mores under her stable.
Mom, right there.
There's her bed. This is the chair at night with your blanket.
Mom, there's
And this is her new desk, computer desk officially. It's not new, we just decided to keep it in her room with her TV. And there's Brownie, her little horse that we had here forever.
she
Okay,
you can't see.
what else do we have to show them? Oh, your present. There's Zebra. Hi, Zeb. Your present. Jacqueline made her present. Oh, no.
Me and Zebra broke his
See, she
arm.
fixed it. She's going to go get your present while I show you. See, she's got a little cast on it. Okay.
And me and Zebra broke our arm.
All right. No, she really didn't. Don't worry. What's this?
Your birdhouse.
I asked Jacqueline what she thinks Papa would want for his birthday, and she said,
Birdhouse!
So she made it out of popsicle sticks, and Mom made the hanger, and show some of the things. Oops, it's crooked. Don't worry. It'll be straight when you hang it. It's got, what's on top?
Feathers. Inside there's sparkles, and inside there's more sparkles, and you can put food in here every day, and you can look inside, and there's a little birdie.
So happy birthday, Papa. We'll get it in the mail today, finally, right? We've been working on it. It's been kind of popping off, so I hope it makes it. Okay, let's go show them the other thing we got yesterday. Go, go, go! And Stacia got her hair cut yesterday, too. She got it just trimmed, right? What's this?
A piano!
A $200 piano.
I'm just kidding.
She probably wants to play a simple tune for happy birthday.
Yep.
Alright, a quick one, because we got to go show them. Not that one yet? Oh, sorry.
I'm not ready for that one.
Okay, how about, that's too hard. How about the grasshopper? Okay, we'll play a grasshopper, because you're kind of like a grasshopper.